Let's talk to some of these kids, man. The future of monster truck racing as we know it. And we are going to have words with these awesome kids here. He goes, what's with the gap? I don't know. Hey, let's start ladies first. Let's talk to Allie, the driver of Pretty Wicked. Now, Allie, this is your first full-time season here of a monster truck competition. How do you get started in all this?
Well, my family's been involved for a really long time, and then I was never really into it. I was always kind of against it. And then I met Kinsley on this track about a year ago. She convinced me a few weeks later to get into a truck. I tried it, and I've been in love with it ever since.
Oh, that's awesome. Now, you mentioned Kinsley, the driver of Lady Luck. You guys are the only girls in the competition today, representing for all the ladies. How cool is it to go out there alongside your best friend and represent for all the girls on Monster Truck? That's gotta feel good.
Yeah, it's pretty great because we get to show all the guys that we can do just as good or better than them, since this is a male-dominated sport, technically.
Well, there you go. How about it? Getting the cheers from the ladies, that's gotta make you feel amazing. Now, you hear all the girls behind you. What do you got in store for the freestyle tonight?
Hopefully some bigger and some good donuts.
How about it, fans? Do we have any Pretty Wicked fans? Well, she mentioned Kinsley, her best friend, the driver of Team Lady. Well, let's talk to her real quick. Kinsley, you know, seeing Allie in competition, you know, you brought her, you helped her out, you coached her, and now she is like one of the most successful mini drivers I think I've ever seen because, honestly, because of you guys, man. I mean, you guys are best friends. How cool is it to have her as a best friend and teammate?
It's a really great experience because I was the only female driver for the longest time. Then I convinced Allie and we kind of became teammates, partners, best friends on the track and off the track.
Well, there you go. Now, I gotta tell you, there's a lot of girls out there cheering for you. How cool is it to have all the ladies behind you? That's gotta feel good.
Yeah, it's just an amazing experience because Allie and I go to every track, every show, and we show all the boys in the stands what ladies can do.
How about it? Man, oh man. Always a fan favorite is Lady Luck. And here's the thing though, Kinsley, you have not just these awesome fans behind you, but you also have some great sponsors, the magic as I call it, behind that Lady Luck truck, man. I mean, what are some of the sponsors and the folks that make this truck run every weekend?
Yes, Corbin, there's a lot of magic behind this truck, as you call it. I'd like to thank my dad, Steven, Jay, Corey for helping me last time when my truck was broken. I'd like to thank Team KKJ, Rapid Fleet Service, and Angry Duck. Without them, I wouldn't be here today.
Well, I'm going to ask you the same question I asked your teammate Allie earlier. What can these fans expect from Team Lady Luck tonight in freestyle?
You know, Corbin, I would tell you and all these fans, but it all depends on you guys for showing how loud and crazy y'all get to show how crazy y'all get on this track.
Oh, how about it, fans? Who's going to be rooting for Lady Luck here today? And with that being said, let's talk to Garrett, the driver of Mini Shredder. Now, Garrett, here's the thing, man. A lot of these folks know you for driving the Mini Stinger truck. Shredder's another identity for you, man. Tell me about this new Shredder truck you got. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, my dad debuted this truck 2 or 3 years ago, and we decided to make it in a Mini, and now I'm here driving it tonight.
That's awesome. Now, just like Kinsley, you also have a lot of folks, a lot of magic, a lot of sponsors behind you that make that Mini Shredder truck run every weekend. What are some of the folks behind you, man?
Yeah, obviously my dad, my brother, Art, Andy, ATI Performance Products, Wayne Selling Recovery, 717 Rapids Vinyls. A lot of great people that keep this truck running so that I can beat the girls every weekend.
Well, there you go. Talking some smack out there. There you go. Now, here's the thing. You guys are going to be freestyling later on tonight. I'm asking you the same question I asked the ladies earlier. What can they expect from Mini Shredder and freestyle today?
Some big air and hopefully some wheelies.
Well, there you go. Hey, fans, how about it for Garrett Mini Shredder? And one more time, Monster Truck fans, this is for all of your Wayne's Selling Recovery Mini Monster Truck. Let's see what Kinsley can do to see Let's see what Kinsley can do.
Oh my goodness! No holding back, full throttle from one jump to the other. What a start!
I call that announcement of presence right there, Darius.
Nonetheless, an incredible run.
I bet we have a teammate.
Yeah, Allie in pretty wicked.
That's right. What did we on the time? We saw Allie earlier today. She put on a heck of a show, and now here she is going big out of the box.
Lining up now for the winning jump. Oh, takes me out right there, I guess. See what she's going to go for next year, Corbin.
You know she was messing with Darius. Awesome donuts right there from She's setting up for something, I think.
And a good jump right over it. Good stuff. Might be having some issues here. It seems like the truck is kind of stopping. Maybe she's stopping the truck a little bit.
Well, it could be a number of things. It could be an electrical issue or something like that, right, Darius?
Yeah, certainly can be. Might be having an issue with the transmission. Not really doing first gear there with pretty wicked. But nonetheless, the woman starts doing everything she possibly can out here. Looks like she's now lining up for the big jump here. Lining up now for the winning jump. Oh, takes me out right there, I guess. See what she's going to go for next year, Corbin.
You know she was messing with Darius. Awesome donuts. Here it is.
Jump right there. Good stuff here. You're not afraid of anything out here on this track.
No, sir. These kids are fearless, I tell ya.
Oh, a hard nose tap that we keep on all fours.
You were gonna give these fans some big air and donuts, and now, dude, you're upside down? What's going through your head right now, dude?
Yeah, I haven't worn a truck here and there, and I haven't been able to roll the other one because I got a new body, so I figured that I'd give you fans a nice shout. You know, we've had the entire show, we just had mini freestyle, but next up is my personal favorite. Who's ready for some freestyle?